dimensions, which is starts from here to here. And as you can see right now, our dimension size and style is very small and wrong. So how we will change the dimension style is go writing just properties down here, and we'll select our things that we want. In architecture drawings, you should always use architecture tick right over here. Arrow size 2 inches will be good enough for any drawing. If you have bigger drawings, then just do it bigger as you want it, but this is, I think, this just okay. So for this extension line, you should always have it in dotted lines. It's look very professional. And extension line is done. The text height is right now very small. We'll just do it as 6 inches. It's amazing. It's okay. And it should be center, it should be above the line always. If you are doing an architecture walking drawing, it is very important for that. And then we'll have to change the decimal to architecture, and we'll also change our precision to 0. It's 0. Okay, so this is perfect now. And precision has been changed to 0, so the dimension, we'll have to keep it where did it go? We lost it. Where did my architecture unit go? Okay, yeah, here it is. You have to change this to architecture. That's it, and your dimension is just up, right, and ready. So now we'll learn how to give dimension in walking drawing. Is first, yeah, I had given this bigger dimension, then we'll give our center